My name is Ciprian Crainiceanu. I'm professor of biostatistics. I've been here since 2004, and I came from Cornell University, and I applied, and they made me an offer, and I took it. It's just the deep connections between science and my set of skills and my interests in biology and medicine, and also in making a difference and trying to understand what's going on. High dimensional signals obtained from the body. So, for example, you could measure somebody's blood pressure continuously, or somebody's heart rate, or physical activity. You can look into their brain images. We are interested in how these signals are associated with human health, whether changes in these signals may predict future changes, adverse effects, or positive effects in one's life. And we see how we can intervene, if we can intervene in the future. I have many research interests, so I've been working on different areas, but probably the areas that I spend most time in are clinical brain imaging, especially MRI and CT. And I also work on wearable and implantable technology, especially related to accelerometers, glucometers, heart rate monitors, so everything that comes from the human body and we can measure. I don't have it here with me now, but I also have something that measures eye pressure continuously. So I hope that I will achieve two important things. One is to look through hypotheses and through scientific questions and see which ones can be or cannot be supported by the data. And then I'm also interested in discovering new things. I'm going to make this more specific. So, for example, we now work on cardiac surgery, and we look at the data that is monitored continuously while a person is in the ER or has cardiac surgery, and we look at all these signals continuously when we try to understand what, if anything, we can do or can be done to improve their outcomes after the surgery. For example, to make sure that their kidneys work well, that their brain works well afterwards, that there is enough. Oh, it's going wherever we take it. Wherever we and my students take it, that's where it's going. And that's probably the most fun part, actually, is that there are so many directions that we can take. It's like a tree of decisions that we can take all the time. And every day we make decisions about it. But it's going in a direction of trying to answer very important questions with data that is specifically tailored to answering those questions. And we already have shown that physical activity is the best predictors of mortality by far. That if you want to see how a person with diabetes blood glucose is, well, you just measure it, and you measure it continuously. It's obvious, but we finally get to measure exactly what we wanted to measure to start with: physical activity. Not asking about physical activity, but actually measuring what people do in real life. And that makes a huge difference in terms of signal and in terms of what can be done in response to that. This. I think that the best thing about being at Hopkins is the people around me. It's the students. They are just amazing. That's it. That's the and our staff and our faculty. I am one of the people who just walks around and the corridor and likes to say hi and see what everybody's doing. And yeah, so that just this may sound cliche, but we are a family, and we try to maintain and improve that every time. That's what I like the most. Like love. Absolutely do it. You found something that it took me many years to realize it exists. If you are thinking that you've been doing something, but you want to see how that can be done in practice, and how it can be done well and building from the grounds up, this is the place.